Oh my God, I swear that wasn't planned. Oh my gosh, we have to go in here now. So it looks like the couple things I'm really interested in here are too much for me to pick up. I love the poodle lipstick holder, but I think I see 32 on that. I could be mistaken, but it all looks pretty close. They've got some really fun stuff. Oh my gosh, look at these feather shoes. Oh, love it. And oh my gosh, what is that clip? Oh, that's fun. It says $20, so I can't even make out what that is. I think it's just oh, it's a carriage. Okay, I thought it was a silhouette at first. Well, that makes it easier to walk away from. The bookends are amazing. Art Deco. Most of the time you see those in their reproduction, but those are the real thing, it looks like. What's this one? This one's got the cute little music notes embroidered on it. Nothing compared to what I've been picking up, though. Cute little figurines. Cats! Can't see any of the prices. Let's see, very old bisque Nancy Ann dolls. Well, some of them are composition and some of them are bisque. The Scotty dog, or the little, not Scotty dog, the dog pin. I can't remember. Oh my gosh, wait, how much are those? The cat pins. Dang, they're probably expensive. Yeah, that poodle one is 19. Whoa. Look at that dresser box. That's at 125. So cool. Compacts are so expensive in California. That's 87, and this is 95. The blue beaded bag is pretty epic. And then they have more jewelry over here. That is amazing. Looks like it could be French almost. Yeah, that poodle pin 17, so it's probably pretty spendy. I love the little what am I talking about? Mahjong earrings. Oh, and these are Holt Howard actually. As is 15. It's not the most popular selling set, and I don't want to deal with as is at this point. That's so cool. Little fish plaque. That's at 5. That's not bad. Oh, how did I not see you? You're so fun. More jewelry. This is fun. That is fun, isn't it? Bangle. Enamel over brass, $12.50. Oh man, there's all kinds of stuff hidden back here. See, gosh, it's so cold. I'm like, the first thing I do when I get to my hotel room is like get a hot cup of coffee and crank the heat. I'm gonna feel, oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, they're 32, the little miniature bone-china hands. My energy's a little too tired and chaotic for me to reach one to pull to show you. I've bought and sold those in the past. They usually sell pretty quickly. Couple things here too. That's kind of neat. 19. Of course, this Fenton 24. I just love the pink opalescent. I kind of have to get a better look at this compact. Is this open by itself? Do I have to call somebody? I don't want to call somebody. Oh, I do. Yeah, I have to get a better look at that compact. I'm pretty sure it says 15 too. And it's just really, really neat. And the inlaid rhinestones, oh my gosh, look at that pendant. That's really pretty. The camera doesn't make it look as gorgeous as it does in real life, trust me. I might have to get in here for my own peace of mind, if nothing else. Oh my gosh, I was walking to get the key when I saw that mermaid. Oh man. And Miss Priss. Okay, so that creamer's cracked. The sugar bowl has no lid. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. This is perfect. Thank you. Perfect for my last stop. I'm just gonna go in booth by booth though. And I'm already backtracking because I just saw that those half dolls. Oh my gosh. So I did take a better look at that pendant necklace, and it just wasn't as detailed as I thought it was when I held it up close. And this is throwing me off, because I'm like, is that Sephora? The rest of it looked vintage, but the S was a decal, and I'm pretty sure that's newer than I thought it was at first. Yeah. So nothing but from this booth. But I haven't made it to... Oh my gosh, look at that little lenticular. How neat. Huh. Tiny perfume bottle, $6. I can't tell what the graphic is on that though. Oh, I'm like not even showing it. Yeah, that's a little strange. More neat stuff. I love that box. And there's something else over here too that was pretty neat. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Those fuzzy ceramic heads brooches. Okay, but this is fantastic. Strawberries, stop it. How cute. $10, that's a little close. Vintage fish, $36. This is neat too, that handbag. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Ooh, George Briard, it looks like. No, that's someone else. Similar style though. I also thought it was mushrooms from afar because I'm a little worn thin. The spaghetti dog. I love that orange color, but that one's contemporary. What's this? Oh, how fun. Wait, $5? Does it say $5? Calypso Limbo Native Dancers Steel Band in the original packaging? That's so much fun. I'm like so confused. Why is it $5? It's kind of I'm kind of nervous about shipping it. I'm sure it would be fine. Of course, I just realized my camera wasn't on. I was gonna say I was really excited about the dog eyeglass holder, but that's it. My phone is finally full. So I was saying I'm excited to explore this case because of the elephants, and there's a couple other things in here, like the little tiny chicks. $8 for the pair. Those are cute. And it's fun. Little bottle. Snuff bottle, $15. I'm most interested in the elephants though. What about this? Oh my gosh, it's a planter. How cute. And he's at $8. Oh, he's fantastic. Little California pottery. I think he'll do well. He's sweet, and I don't usually see that style, especially not where I'm at. And then those salt and pepper shakers, I think. But look at this little blue one. That's so cute. $5. Oh, he's so sweet. This is cute too. $10. What about the little elephant bottle? $12. And I think this is a planter too. This is neat. Oh, Art Deco elephant, $20. I'm pretty happy with the one I picked up. I don't really see anything else that's like I really need. I see stuff that I could pick up, but let's not forget, I'm about to drive across the country again. Hopefully, I should say. Please. And then what about the little animal creamer? $30. I say animal creamer because there's a viewer. She like loves animal creamer, so I always look for special ones for her. And every time I have a one on sale, she's animal creamers, and I'm like, oh, I still haven't found you one. I'm so sorry. They're kind of hard to find. Like I just see the same ones over and over again. All right, we're getting back into danger zone here. Oh my gosh, that rabbit. I'm gonna guess it says, oh my gosh, it's 65. I feel like that's so fair. It's so fantastic. Oh, so fantastic. Oh, I love the Nippon bisque. I'm thinking about getting the Miss Priss. As long as, no, I see a chip actually. Yeah, no, I can't do that. Missing the lid is one thing, but missing the lid and chipped is another. There's some really interesting little dolls in here, though. I love the little half doll. Huh. Yeah, that mermaid's kind of bothering me a little. Does it say $7 each? All right, I am gonna get in here. Well, I was looking at that cat on the way to get the key, but it's at $29. These are so neat. I love these little frames. $75. Just kidding. Oh, it's very packed in here. I'm nervous to knock things over, so I'm doing a bad job at showing you guys what I'm looking at. Like holding my breath and walking like a weirdo. Okay, but I also really love the little Elgin compact. That's at 20. And look at the little mascara. It says Heather mascara. That's so cute. That's at 20 though too. Oh man, it's all too close for me though. So many cute little things. And I love those little bottles. Those are 19 each. Well, here's something else that definitely has my attention. This hat pin holder. It looks like it says 35. What? Oh, because it's got a little chip. But still, does it come with the hat pins? It does. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I'm kind of curious how much that would go for. Oh my gosh, look at this. So funny. I've had those before. And I love this ashtray. I'm still really thrown off by the hat pin holder. I mean, these hat pins alone are pretty fantastic. The beaded ones. Well, I kind of decided, even if it was worth more than 35, which I'm pretty sure it is, I can't justify for myself spending that much on it for resale. I'm really dying to get back into that case with the mermaid. I'm just saving it for last, just to kind of get my bearings before I go in there. I am gonna get in the car, turn on the heat, and go check into my hotel, get a nice slice of cake and a hot coffee. And tonight I will be on Cat the Nurse Flipper's channel. Obviously this is probably like a month and a half ago at this point, but I am looking forward to being forced to confinement to my hotel room because I am done here. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Thank you. Oh, I have a feeling this is gonna be worth all of it. For sure. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I'm literally about to park wherever I want. That's how I feel. Oh, this is so fun, even though it's freezing cold and raining.